Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Vishwakarma. I study in standard 8th. Right now I am practicing communication skills. Today I am going to talk about how to achieve your goals easily. You are far greater than that you have already done in your life. Actually, you have used only a very few percentage of your mind power. Actually, you have the most powerful software of this world, that is your mind. Your mind has unlimited potential. You can become whatever you want to become and you can achieve whatever you want to achieve. For this, you have to do only one thing. You have to align your mind, body and emotion in one direction, that is in the direction of your goal. Many people, in spite of many physical disabilities they have achieved, which are impossible to physically able people. This became possible because they had strong mind power and aligned their mind, body and emotion in one direction, that is in the direction of their goal. What I want to say is, if you have set your goal and aligned your mind, body and emotion in the direction of your goal, then you can achieve your goals easily. Thank you.